Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change location on your Roblox account. First of all, just open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device. In the search bar, just simply search for VPN and you can download any VPN here which is on working condition. So simply install any VPN on your phone. Once it's installed, just minimize the window and then go to Roblox. Now click on the three dots at the very bottom right corner and then click on the settings. Here click on account info and now scroll down. At this interface, here you will find the location option. You have to just simply click on that location and then change according to your requirements. But still, in the new update, Roblox has removed this feature from your Roblox app. If you have location option in your Roblox, you have to just simply click on to change it. If you fail to change, then you just need to connect the VPN we have just downloaded, and after connecting your VPN to your device, again just try to change your location, and this time hopefully you will be able to change your location. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.